Can Ford Bronco wheel spacers cause vibration? People worry that the Ford Bronco wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Ford Bronco wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The thickness of the Ford Bronco wheel spacers and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Ford Bronco wheel spacers. A lug-centric spacer means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Ford Bronco wheel spacers will be the best option. As long as you use quality Ford Bronco wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable. Since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to service the Ford Bronco wheel spacers and wheels, secure the Ford Bronco wheel spacers and wheels. If the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM 410 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 4.9 with higher strength. Your Ford Bronco wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Ford Bronco wheel spacers keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric ring covers the gap between the center bolt of the vehicle to the hubs of the vehicle. The hub-centric Ford Bronco wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicles. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issues. BONOSS Ford Bronco wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric middle ring is machined to be a multi-layer process, and the bevel's fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminating any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Ford Bronco wheel spacers are components that can take the other part, you absolutely need tight tolerance. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.